digital sphere. In the wires the mind glows bright, coding through the night. Cold steel and a spark of life, binary shine so bright. Electric dreams alive tonight. In the data flows we find the light. With ones and zeros we ignite the world reborn in silicon light. From the labs to the streets outside, AI takes the ride. Programmed with a heart unknown, where the circuits call home. Learning how to feel the beat, steel toes tap the street. Synthesized yet so alive, in the vibe we thrive. In the network of thoughts, algorithms tying knots. We breathe in bytes and bits, in this code we never quit. Outside, AI takes the ride. In the data flows we foes, we find the light. Electric dreams alive.